This island has been home to many kingdoms. First, my people, the Cymru. Then came the Romans, the Vikings, the Angles and Saxons, the Flemish, the Normans. We spoke a dozen languages from a dozen nations. And then this hodgepodge of peoples became simply England. Now, only Saxon may be spoken at England's court, and the oldest tongue of this island is called foreign. Today, we teach the Saxon that this island was only ever theirs to share.